Hey guys, so today is the day we are decorating an egg online. So I just wanted to go over quickly exactly how you decorate this egg. So if we go here, it gives me my set of directions. I have to copy and paste from the slides and put it onto my egg. And then it says that I may need to resize, which means I might need to make it bigger or smaller so that it will fit into my egg. I might have to rotate it, so I might need to turn it around. Okay. And so when you are finished, you can download the pictures of your egg and then it gives you the directions on how to do so. So I want to go to the next slide, which gives me 3 eggs. All right. So here, what I want to do is I want to go to the eyes. I get to choose whichever eyes I want. So I like these green eyes here. So I'm going to take my cursor and I'm going to click on it so that it highlights that eye only. And then depending on what type of um, computer you have, but I want to right click and I want to copy those sets of eyes. So I have to go back to my eggs and then I click and paste my eyes. Here I need to click on it and move them. And when it talked about resizing, I can go here to the corner to make my eyes bigger. And I can do the same thing, go to the corner and make my eyes smaller. But I like that size of my eyes. I'm going to move them up just a tad bit. Uh, Move it over. All right. So now I want to choose another thing. So here we have our eyes. I also have my mouth. So I want to choose a mouth for my egg. I click again. I copy the mouth that I want. I go back up to the top and then I'm going to paste the mouth that I have. The mouth is way over here, so I need to drag that mouth so that it's over there. Well, there's some other things I can make. I can have a set of arms. So here, I'm going to right click on the arm that I would like, copy it, go back to my egg, and paste. It's way over there. So I want to move my arm to be near my egg's body. Okay. So I can have one arm, I can have 2 arms, how many ever I want. I'm going to click here to hair. What kind of hair do I want my bunny to have? So, or my egg. I'm going to copy here. I'm going to go back up here to my egg and I'm going to right click and paste. And so I noticed that that hair is definitely not big enough. So I'm going to open and make it bigger. So as I do the hair, I realize my eyes are too high up. So I can always take my eyes and move them down. And then move my hair back over. So one thing you can do is you can click over to the side and it doesn't make it bigger, it just makes it wider. So I want to make my egg's hair a little bit wider so it'll fit on her head. And I'm going to make it just a little bit taller. All right, looking like some good hair. Let's see what other options I have. I have my mouth, I have an arm. I can do a hat. Let's see. Let's do a party hat because we are celebrating that it is almost spring break. So I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to paste and I'm going to put my party hat on my person, my egg. Boom. So you got two other eggs here that you can do. When you go here, this says that this is an egg decorating contest in a paragraph. Give me your opinion of why your egg should win the contest. And then you're going to complete all three eggs, even though I just did one. You go here, how are your eggs similar? How are they different? Answer in complete sentences. There are extra things that you can add into your picture if you would like. So I hope you have a wonderful time decorating your eggs. I can't wait to see them and get an opportunity to go ahead and post them so that way everyone can see your eggs.